Hello all, in this video we will see how to find the IP address of a Raspberry Pi. For example, if you want to connect your Raspberry Pi, to your Raspberry Pi from remote, that means a headless configuration of Raspberry Pi, you need to know the IP address, right? So the basic command for that is this SSH username at the rate IP address. So you open your command prompt and you need this command to be provided. So what we know is the known IP address is 0.110. Okay, and Raspberry Pi. Okay, this is what we know. Okay, so this is a username of Raspberry Pi, and this is the IP address we know. Let us try to click enter. Okay, and it is trying to catch the it is trying to connect to the Raspberry Pi. Okay, now you can see here, if it is taking this much time, it meant there could be a problem with the connection. Okay, it might actually get timed out. As you see here, yes, it got timed out. Okay, now in this case, the problem could be something with the username of your Raspberry Pi, or it could be IP address could be wrong. So how would you know what is the IP address of the Raspberry Pi? So for this we have something called advanced IP scanner. Okay, so here what we have to do is we open the advanced IP scanner, try to start searching with 1 to 254. So you see here we have entered 1 to 254. That means it scans for entire IP addresses of the device, which can actually detect all the devices that are connected to this particular system that we are using. Okay, let us try to run the scan. And when we try to run the scan, okay, it lists all the devices which are connected to this particular system. You see here, you see all the devices are listed, and you can see the Raspberry Pi IP address also listed. So this is how we can actually find the IP address of this particular Raspberry Pi. Very simple method, right? So you might have to install the advanced IP scanner on your system.